It's Cocktail Friday and we have 2-in-1 for you. Today we're making the French 75 and the French 125. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Yeah, it's Cocktail Friday, my favorite day of the week. And here we are today, it's all about champagne. We're making not one, but 2 champagne cocktails. We're going to make the French 75 and the French 125. Now, what is French 75? It was originally created around 1915 in Paris at a bar called the New York Bar. And it's a combination of gin, lemon juice, and then either sugar or simple syrup. It's very similar to a Tom Collins, but it uses champagne or sparkling wine instead of soda water. Now then, what's a French 125? Very similar cocktail. It uses lemon juice, simple syrup, and champagne, but we're going to use cognac instead of gin. And guess what? We're going to make them both at the same time. In my glass, I'm going to pour first some gin. This is my favorite gin. This is Blue Coat gin. It's made right here in the Philadelphia area. We just need 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Easy, easy, easy. Right in our glass. This is for the 75. For the 125, we're going to use cognac. Here's what I'm using today. It's the kind I like. Same amount, 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Oh, I love that sound. All right. Next is lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice, please. We only need 3/4 ounce or 22 mils. Each cocktail is going to get that amount. Fresh, always, always, always. That's about 1 and 2. Next up is our simple syrup. Each one gets the exact same amount, 3/4 ounce or 22 mils. Now, I'm using store-bought simple syrup. You can make your own if you like. It's just equal parts water and sugar that you heat up until the sugar dissolves. But I always keep the store-bought around. It's just very convenient. Right in. Now you know what's coming up next is the shaky shaky. We're gonna do one at a time. I'm good, I'm not quite that good, that I can shake both at the same time. Here we go. All right. Pour this back in here so I can tell which one is which. All right, I'm gonna put these aside for a moment. Let's talk glasses. I'm gonna use a nice champagne flute today. We need to strain these, and I want to double strain them because I don't want any of those little ice crystals in my champagne. Right in. Just do it carefully. Take your time. There we go. Now, for our cognac. All right, let's talk champagne. I'm using today one of my favorites. This is actually a sparkling wine. It's made out on Long Island from Sparkling Point. It's a brut, so it's nice and dry. That's what I like to use for these cocktails, is nice dry champagne. You have to be careful opening them. Always want to keep your hand on top. Okay, I've taken the cage off. I've kept my hand on this whole time because sometimes these will pop right off. What you want to do is hold the cork and turn the bottle. You always point it away from yourself, just in case. There you go. Easy, huh? Now let's take these glasses. Let's bring them here. We're going to carefully top these off with our sparkling wine. Whoops. Oh well. All right. Or maybe not. It's good champagne. What can I say? Now we garnish this with just a little peel of lemon. Just like that. You can be fancy and make them twisty, or just a little lemon strip will be fine. Now, let's get these little tastes. I'm going to start with my classic French 75 with the gin. That is delicious. Bright, kind of like Tom Collins, but champagne, bubbly, sweet, refreshing. Let's try this one. That is really good. It's more complex. There's a little more depth of flavor with the cognac, but it's still bright and happy and refreshing. If you like this episode, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and get a new episode every week. Now, while I go drink down these lovely cocktails, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. Till next time, cheers.